Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Evernote notebooks to capture ideas fast, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Evernote on your device. Create a new notebook by clicking on the Notebooks section. Select the option to add a new notebook. Name your notebook something that reflects its purpose, like ideas or brainstorming. Set the notebook's privacy settings if necessary. Create additional notebooks for specific topics, such as work, personal, or projects. Use tags to organize your notes within each. Assign relevant tags as you create notes to enhance searchability. To capture ideas quickly, familiarize yourself with the Evernote mobile app. Enable the Quick Note feature for instant access. Speak your ideas into the app using the voice-to-text option, or type them out. If inspiration strikes, use the web clipper to save articles, pages, or images directly to your notebooks. Regularly review your notebooks to keep track of new ideas. Consider creating a checklist note for brainstorming sessions. Start each brainstorming session with dedicated notebook open. Encourage free writing to capture ideas without self-criticism. Use the search function often to find older notes or ideas quickly. Remember to sync your notes across devices for accessibility. Explore Evernote's templates for structured idea capture. Use the reminders feature to revisit important notes later. Experiment with different organizational methods to find what works best for you. Make it a habit to check and update your notebooks regularly. Ensure your Evernote app is updated for the best performance and new features. Utilize Evernote's integration with other apps to streamline your workflow. With these steps, you will be equipped to capture your ideas fast and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.